Have you ever thought about immigrating to Slovakia? North American Service Center offering employment and the work permit in Slovakia in the city of Bratislava. Our clients are employed in the factories as factory workers. All nationalities are welcome to apply. You just need to have a wish to work and live in Slovakia. There is no requirements for any working experience, no requirements for language test. Both male and female can apply. You just need to have an age up to 45 years old. Our employer, our factory offer very attractive benefits. You will be receiving a salary of 1,000 euro monthly as a basic salary. You also can have an additional pay of overtime. You will be having free accommodation, free transportation, and the food you will be also receiving in the factory canteen for just 1 euro per day, what's absolutely almost free. One more additional benefit is in every year our clients receiving additionally 1 month's salary as a gratuity pay. If you're interested to live and work in Slovakia, first thing you have to contact our office and apply with our office for your work permit. After you receive your work permit, we will be facilitating your appointment and visa process. After you will be receiving a work visa, which is for 1 year, we will be coordinating a travel. We will assign you date and time when you can travel and meet your employer. After you land to Slovakia, we will be meeting you in the airport. We will assisting you to reach your employer. Before you start your first working day, you will need to pass medical exam, and if the result is positive, you can start your work. Before expiration of your work visa, your employer itself will be applying for residency in Slovakia. You will be getting 2 years residency in Slovakia, and you will be able to invite your family. You'll be able to sponsor your kids, and definitely you'll be happy to start your new life. If you would like to know more details about Slovakia work permit, or you're interested to apply already, just click on the link in bio, contact our office, and we will do needful. Thank you.